Fruit Ninja's cool, but 9mm at 6,000 frames per second with 147 grain hollow point, that's cooler.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Clearly, we want to use our high-speed camera more, so you guys should hit the comments below, drop some things you want to see us shoot with the high-speed camera. We're thinking we might do these kinds of videos in genres, this one being 9mm and fruit. If you have any other ideas, we've got maybe some Desert Eagle 50AE, maybe some 4570, 458 SOCOM stuff. But yeah, let us know what you want to see down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, buy a holster. We'll see you on the next one.